What is up, everyone? So I am here in Las Vegas, Nevada for SEMA, of course. If you guys know what SEMA is, surprising. It's the world's largest automotive trade show, right? So it is absolutely insane, and I didn't know what to expect this year because, you know, it's been trial times, and while it looks like it's just as popping as always, and I haven't even gotten inside yet, so just got off the plane. It's Tuesday, first day, a little late. I don't even have a pass yet. I gotta go find one, put my bags down, and run around. So I don't really know what I'm gonna film. I'm not really here to document it because you guys have probably already seen most of the show already by the time I drop this thing. So gotta do my thing, shake my hand, see my friends, meet some companies, and film a video in between. So let's go find a pass for me, all right? I've just walked probably 14 miles to find this place. It is absurd. Where's my guy? Where's my guy? Oh yeah.
Are you there?
There's my guy. There's my guy. What's up, buddy? So the way this works, when you don't have a pass for SEMA, you just
No, you don't say it until you get your pass. You don't. No.
You just
listen.
say,
We've gone through too much headache.
What you say is, I know Adam LZ, and they're like, here's a pass.
Bro, we literally had to make a fake W-2 for you. They are way too serious about this, and I have no idea why. So, like, legit, you want to see how much you make a week?
How much do I make a week?
Wait, so don't even show the paper. Just look at it yourself because it has my personal information on it.
That's how much I make a week?
No, that's net pay. That's year to date. You made $5 grand this year.
Hell yeah, pay up, sucker.
That's not good, Jimmy.
I mean, yeah.
You broke.
Yeah, I'm broke. James Oaks of Drift headquarters. Huh?
You're in, boy.
Yeah, too bad I only made $5 grand this year.
Yeah.
I need a new job.
Yep. Should've worked for Tommy.
But we are officially in. Thank you so much, Adam. Finally dropped my bags off, we're good. So I only have about an hour left of today. I'm gonna use today to just run around real quick and get an idea of where everything is, and tomorrow we'll really dig into stuff. But I'm just super happy to be here. If you guys have never seen any SEMA content before ever, it is just so overwhelming. It is so awesome. I'll tell you what, last time we were at SEMA, it was the same year they released the 890 Supra. So it was literally nothing but Supras that year.
Big super guy.
I've only seen like one so far.
I know. There's a lot of C8s now.
Yeah, it's not that bad. It's a good selection this year. So Adam's trying to shove me in a Mustang. We're gonna see if they'll let me do it.
Mach-E.
Where'd you get those glasses from?
It's the only ones I can find in time, all right?
Think of me filming you signing your life away?
Yeah, so I'm signing
On
something,
record?
which means we're gonna be doing something. There's some liability here. So
Yeah, something dangerous.
We're doing something exciting. There we go. Getting right to it. All right, so check that thing out right there, right? So, the new Mach-E Mustang. They made a drift one. So it might look goofy from the outside, but that is a Mach-E Mustang that makes over 2,000 foot-pounds of torque. All-wheel drive right now. It looks insane. It makes no noise, and it looks like it's out there raging, and we're actually gonna get to go for a ride, and I have no idea what it's gonna feel like. I feel like it's gonna be mind-blowing. It is so awkward to hear no noise but tires squealing coming from that thing.
All-wheel drive will be the craziest car I've ever ridden. I'm excited.
We look so cool. I've never felt so cool in my life.
Wait, hold on. Now.
Oh yeah, big mall cop. Looks like a motorcycle cop. Ford decided to make the fastest Mach-E ever. 2,000 foot-pounds of torque plus.
Wait, 2,200 foot-pounds of torque is what I heard? What's that?
The Mach-E. Yeah.
2,000?
Something like that. That's what I was told.
That's like 450.
4 pounds of torque.
Yeah.
He's sandbagging it. To the axle, well, to the hubs with this gear, probably 6,000 foot-pounds.
Wait, what?
I mean, that's to the hubs.
Okay, but still, that's so silly.
Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah.
Okay, I was way off, but we get to go for a ride, and I've never been in anything like this in my life, and I'm super, super excited for it.
Wait.
Wow, this thing is silly. It's a little tight in here. There's no way to look cool in an open face helmet like this. So, this thing doesn't sound fast, I'll tell you that. I'm so tight in this seat. So this is my first time actually being in like an EV car other than like a lap around town in like a normal Tesla. So.
Tesla Plaid?
I don't even know. Some guy in an Uber picked me up and it was Tesla.
Oh yeah, that sounds fast.
So I am very excited. Vaughn, give us a good show. Yep. I don't know what to film. Probably my face.
Probably.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Let's
Turn the fuel pump on.
All right, we are live. Oh, that scared the shit out of me.
Ready?
Oh my god. I don't know if I'm ready for the future.
It's so loose right now, too.
I don't know how much of that footage was usable because I had to scream, and I don't know how goofy I look in that helmet going crazy, but I have never felt anything like that in my life. It blew my mind because there's like no noise, so it's like an extra mind fuck. So I don't even know what else to say. That was just super gangster. Great way to start the day, but they're closing up now, so I gotta pack up, get to my hotel, and we'll do all that, and then we'll start up again tomorrow. And we're back. Day 2. All right, so the first car I want to talk about today is Rich Rebuild's Ice-T. This is probably one of the coolest freaking cars ever. If you guys didn't see anything about this build, he V8 swapped a Tesla. And it looks way too at home. And honestly, I love the car. The fitment, the color, everything. Rich, you and your team killed it, buddy. It's cool to see at SEMA because actually I helped on this car months ago. Me and RJ went up there and helped them get it started for the very first time, and they actually put my sticker on the car, which I'm very grateful for. I feel like when it comes to the whole project, I really didn't do much, but thank you guys. That is really cool. It's really thoughtful, and I really appreciate that. But honestly, you guys killed it on this thing. When I saw it, it was nothing but a bare shell with holes cut in it and a V8 just basically sitting inside of it. Makes me want one real bad. Oh my god, they killed it with the interior. Check this out, the charging port. Now the gas door. Love that. Director LZ. All right, I know I've been showing a lot of cars off, but this DeLorean I keep walking by, it is super cool. It is, of course, a twin turbo LS, when in doubt. Like, if you don't know what engine to put in something, just put an LS in it and twin turbo it. But I feel like not enough people have taken advantage of like the retro look of the DeLorean over the years because they're somewhat affordable, right?
I have no idea.
Stainless steel? You save so much money on paint. You just get, you know? It looks so cool. Look at the interior. The turbos. Oh my god. That is absolutely beautiful. Nice work.
5.3 LS.
That is so cool.
Thanks, man.
Real good use of the space.
Yeah, tried.
I figured someone would EV swap one before anything else at this point, right?
We have another one that we're going to.
Oh, there we go. See? Look at that.
That one's EV.
This one's EV. Oh, yes, that is very much EV. That is sick.
Tesla motors in this one.
Wow. They killed it on this thing.
It was so cool.
How much could you get it, DeLorean for?
I bought this one for $11,500 and it was a complete basket case.
Wow, I was way off.
This one was like, everyone said it was just a parts car. And I was like, nah, I'll fix it.
Did it have all the body panels?
Yes, but it needed a new driver's side door, and the door on the quarter panel on the driver's side was
that
all
super hard
smashed
to get?
in. No, DeLorean actually, they exist in Houston, Texas.
They're still reproducing?
You can buy all the parts brand new.
Huh.
So that driver's side door I got from them, and the hood I got from them.
How much was the door? I'm curious. If you don't mind saying.
It was like $2,500.
You know, like you can't, you're like kind of happy.
It's a solid stainless steel door.
Yeah, the material alone, that's crazy. It's so heavy. Man, this makes you want to build a DeLorean. That's super cool. All right, hear me out. Hear me out, Adam.
Yeah.
K-swap.
This guy, at least it's not a KA.
Okay. All right, so now it's time for a burn yard showed by Hoonigan. If you guys don't know what that is, it's basically just a giant square pit where people try to blow their cars up.
I love donuts.
You're definitely gonna see a lot of those. So this car is super cool, and it's super funny because Derek actually remote tuned started up the car for the first time. What's up, buddy? And he had no idea that it was for Hoonigan. And I called him, I was like, you know you were on Hoonigan, right? He goes, oh, I had no idea. Such a Derek moment. Love that guy. All right, well, here comes the Hoonigan madness. What the heck is this? Hurt is trying to blow it up. That poor K-Series. That's so... Such a window again. Oh, there it goes. That was it.
Hey, listen, torture testing. Torture testing.
Literally just said, how is that K-Series still alive?
I said it's not going to make it to the end of the day. Listen, you got to do it for the people. You got to do it for the people.
He did it.
He did it for the people.
Well, I think we might have jinxed him a little bit. I think they knew it was coming, so I think that's why Hurt gave it the heat. But man, that car is insane. K-Series are way too good.
You know how it goes. You know how it goes.
You did your thing, that's for sure.
You know how it goes.
Oh yeah.
Hold up, let's get it back.
So the funny thing is, I don't even think he hurt the engine. I think he just blew out his exhaust gasket, which then had it running like crap. So that's impressive. Hurt was giving that thing to beans, and I can guarantee he's been driving it like that since he built it. So I don't really know, but I'm pretty sure the long block is completely stock with a turbo on it. And well, K-Series is good. Only in the burn yard. That exhaust sounds like a plane. I haven't been filming too much today, just been kind of running around, seeing all the people I want to see, but it's my first time seeing the new 400Z in person. And it's funny because I was like trying really hard to like it, and I don't think I was liking it too much on all the online photos that I've seen, but honestly in person the car is beautiful. The body looks so much more natural. Seeing it in person, I'm kind of sold. It's a beautiful car. Every YouTuber ever is buying one when they come out. I wish one of those would be me, but we'll wait on this one. But being a Z guy, love to see it. So thank you, Nissan, for building this thing. I'm literally walking back around to look at this thing again. It looks so much better in person. Like, I know everyone says that, but holy crap. I didn't like the car until seeing it now. Man, I'm catching feelings over here. All right, day 3, haven't filmed anything, haven't filmed any cars. What's your favorite car?
My favorite car
On the
is
spot.
that one.
Wow.
Yep.
Classic.
Yep. Just so happens we're standing right there. Yep.
Super convenient.
Yep.
What's your favorite part about it?
The paint is like that.
Fantastic.
That's yep.
Yep, spot on.
The WD-40. Wrong with WD-40.
That's it. What's your favorite car, huh?
I gotta give it to these guys.
They killed it.
Oh, right here.
Yeah,
this
he
guy.
was good.
The
Oh, hi.
LS Tesla. Yeah, theirs is probably really good too.
Oh, you.
Hi.
Yeah.
What's up?
Yeah.
Part of the team.
They did all right.
Did okay.
They did all right. I mean,
fun.
I might have said they did all right.
Fair enough.
Tesla. I mean,
Honestly, is like my favorite.
yeah, no, absolutely.
I already gassed you up in the video earlier. So
Okay,
don't you worry. Yeah,
we
you
don't
guys
need any more.
But seriously, today is the last day. It has been nothing but running around and, well, talking to companies, talking to friends, seeing some friends. It's like I ran into everyone today. Everyone. So we are now lost, and we have an hour left of the show. I didn't steal, but I took a bunch of Moon Eyes goodies.
This was given to you. That was a gift. You don't steal. You're an ethical person.
That's it. Yeah, given. So, yeah, that's about it for today. It's been a good day, though. You know, it's no WD-40 truck.
It's not a WD-40 truck. But what it is a Pontiac Fiero. Okay?
This is a kit.
Yeah. Well, we painstakingly recreated what I consider to be the best looking McLaren of all time. But in there pumps a heart of pure V6 3.4 liter, 140 horsepower.
How'd you modify the wheelbase?
That's all, you know, hydro dipped.
It's hydro dip. Yeah. It's not, you know, the carbon's fake. This is all fake.
Killed it on the interior, though. Killed it on that.
Oh, that's Alcantara? No, that's suede. That's from the rag company.
Yeah.
That's what that is. Those are reused rags.
Yeah, it's just microfiber towels.
Unreal. Decided to feel real poor for a second.
Big Miata.
Big Miata.
Yeah,
How do I look? Do I look at home?
I don't know, man.
Maybe one day.
Yeah, I can see you in it.
Zoom in on the knees.
Yeah.
I'm not TJ Hunt. What? So I tried to climb over the door originally because of the keys.
From the rip.
Rip my pants, you know.
No, I can't see you in it. It doesn't have a Nardi, number one.
No, it does not. It ain't me. It ain't
Not
me.
you. DJ.
DJ. Yeah, DJ.
And maybe.
Dude, Tony in this?
Yeah.
It wouldn't last. It's alright. It's alright. Now
like
that's a
it's the
1996
Richmond-
hardtop Supra. Now that's a car.
Yeah. That's a good unit.
I want to drive this so bad. Sam, how do I turn this?
You guys might want to get from in front of your stick.
Hey, his reaction will be funny. Wow.
It's not that loud.
No, so what's like the deal about this car? How many of these are there?
You're asking me.
Yeah.
You're the one that knows about this stuff.
No, you're the owner.
I'm the owner, so I gotta play it off like I know this. 14 ever.
It's not bad.
It's not bad.
What do you do for a living?
What do I do for a living?
Yeah.
Real estate. Well, how do you turn this thing off? What is?
Power button, yeah.
What are you trying to put in gear?
I'm trying to turn it off.
Oh.
This thing's broken. Well, looks like I gotta drive it home. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah.
Looks like we're all poor.
Yeah. Unreal. Daily driven Jimmy over here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Jimmy.
Yeah. I'm gonna start a new channel. I got this. Dude, my lack of knowledge when it comes to supercars is completely embarrassing. So I'm not even gonna, later guys. So I'm not even gonna front, but all I know is this car is cool and it killed it in the show. And just for the record, because I didn't realize this, the doors don't go up, just out.
Volkswagen.
All right, hold up. Both Lamborghinis. I'm consolidating you because you're my supercar guy.
Yeah.
The door goes up on that one.
Yeah,
Talk to me.
This is the rich one. This is the big boy, SVJ.
Is it because that was originally a vert?
No, so Huracan's doors do not open like an Aventador.
Wow. So it's like you don't get the doors unless you spend over 4.
Yeah, you do not.
Doors,
get the doors.
if it's over 4.
Well, that's a good saying.
Yeah. All right, well, I know my filming was kind of scattered and none of it made sense, but I got some footage and I hope you guys liked the video still. It has been mad. I've been doing so much running around today and I got to meet a lot of people I've been dying to meet for a long time. Got to talk to some pretty cool companies and I had a good time. So got a late flight tonight and I'm gonna be hurting, so hopefully this video goes up on time, but hopefully next video we'll be playing with the Black Z, but for now, you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content. We'll see you guys very shortly.